Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Open your WordPress admin and confirm you can install plugins or edit theme header files. Next, create a Google Analytics GA4 property and copy the measurement ID. You will need it immediately. If you prefer a plugin, search for a well-reviewed GA4 plugin and install it now. If manual, open the theme header or a child theme and get ready to paste code. Once done, pause and verify the ID matches exactly before moving on. You will now install and configure tracking. If using a plugin, activate it and paste the GA4 measurement ID into the designated field, then save and allow the plugin to verify. If doing manual insertion, add the G tag, JS snippet with the measurement ID into header, PHP of a child theme, not the parent, so updates won't wipe it. Make sure enhanced measurement is enabled in GA settings to capture scrolls and outbound clicks automatically. Once configured, wait a few minutes and check live data. You finish by verifying that data flows into GA4. Open real-time reports and browse your site in an incognito window. You should see activity within a few minutes. If nothing appears, clear WordPress and CDN caches, then recheck that the measurement ID is correct and only applied once. Duplicate tags can block data. Also confirm the tracking script is in the site head and not blocked by other scripts or ad blockers. If problems persist, use Tag Assistant for diagnostics and correct the highlighted issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.